Hello bachcho, let's see the question. Metamorphosis of insects is regulated through hormone. So when we say metamorphosis, it means the transformation of the larva into adult. So when the larva stage is very much different in morphology from the adult. In some insects, there is another type of metamorphosis which is called the parometabolous type of metamorphosis. Here there are the juvenile stages which are like the adults in morphology except some differences. These juvenile stages are called the nymphs, and nymphs after a number of moltings, it means they shed their cuticle a number of times and then they get converted into the adult. So metamorphosis can be complete when the larva is morphologically very much different from the adult, or it can be the conversion of nymphal stages into the adult stage. So the metamorphosis is regulated by a hormone, and this hormone is called the ecdysone hormone. Now this ecdysone is a steroid hormone, and this hormone is secreted by the gland, and the gland which secrete are the prothoracic gland. Prothoracic glands are the paired glands, and these glands are located in the prothorax region of the insect. So as in organisms or the insect's body is composed of the head and then thorax and the abdomen. So the first segment of the thorax is the prothorax. So it is secreted by the prothoracic glands which are located in the prothorax region of the body, and this hormone ecdysone, it is responsible for the ecdysis, and ecdysis means shedding of the cuticle, and it is also known as molting. So as during metamorphosis molting is required, the shedding of cuticle is there, so this all is done under the influence of hormone ecdysone. So answer C is the right answer. Now if we look at other three options also, then pheromones. So pheromones are the chemicals which are acting as messengers. So these are released by the insects, and these pheromones are secreted in the surrounding, and these pheromones affect the behavior of other insects or organisms. So they are used during the mating or breeding, or they are used in the communication. So pheromones, but they are not involved in the metamorphosis, so it is discarded. Then thyroxine. Thyroxine is actually produced by the thyroid glands, and these are absent in insects, but it is evident from the recent researches that thyroxine is means ingested by some locust, and it then has the influence on the egg laying of these insects. So but it is not involved in metamorphosis of insects, so it is also discarded. So out of these, the option C is the right answer. I hope my explanation is clear. All the best.